And the Oscar for Best 90-second daily motivational video goes to Nick Long with 90 Seconds with Nick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, first of all, I want to thank the Academy and I want to thank my agent. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of 90 Seconds with Nick, where in just over 90 seconds, I tell you about my life and my journey as I'm trying to become a better father, husband, business leader, man. My wife and I are about to start the Academy Awards, or the Oscars, and it got me to thinking about these actors and these actresses that seem to explode onto the scene, and they're these overnight sensations, and their careers just hockey stick up and take off. And honestly, that's not the truth. If you read any of the stories or you do any of the research on these actors, they've had to grind it out. Many of these people were so poor, they were taking whatever job they could get to make ends meet so they could fulfill their dream of becoming an actor and or an actress. And they had, the first thing that they had was a vision. If you listen to any of these people, they always said, I always dreamed I would be here. I always dreamed I'd be right here on the red carpet. I always dreamed I'd be right here at the Academy Awards. So it started with a vision and then a relentless work ethic that they would just continue to master and master and master their craft. It takes 10,000 hours in order to master anything, whether you want to learn a language or you want to be the best volleyball player or you want to become a motivational speaker. It takes 10,000 hours to master that craft. And these actors and actresses have put in hundreds of thousands of hours into their craft. And so what we might think is this overnight success is actually someone that started with the vision, had a tremendous work ethic, and continued to push and push and push. And they finally, when hard work meets opportunity, that, my friends, is defined as luck. And so I think about my own life, and I think that, I look at my own success and I think, wow, it seems like it might have happened overnight. And then I look back at the long road and how treacherous it was and how many ups and downs there were. And it wasn't overnight at all. It just became a lot of hard work, mastering my craft. And all of a sudden, my training met opportunity. And some of you might say it's luck, but I just say it's preparation. So what are you doing to master your own craft? What dream do you have? Do you have a vision? Because it all starts with two things, a vision and a decision. So see yourself and decide what you want and then work ruthlessly until you get it. I'm going to enjoy a little glass of white wine here and the company of my beautiful wife, and we're going to watch the Academy Awards and all these overnight success. So again, I want to thank the Academy and my agent, Miss Nicole Long, and my two best supporting actor and actresses, Mr. Noah and Miss Nevin. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the other side.